flowing river surrounded by lush greenery. The sound of rushing water fills the air. In a world increasingly focused on renewable energy, one of the most reliable and eco-friendly sources is hydroelectric power. Cut to a hydroelectric dam, with water rushing through its turbines. Narrator, here's how it works. Scene transitions to an animation showing water flowing down a mountain river. First, water is collected from rivers or reservoirs, typically in elevated areas. Gravity then pulls this water down towards lower elevations. Animation shifts to show a dam in the river's path. Narrator, a dam is strategically placed along the river's path, creating a reservoir of water behind it. This reservoir serves as a store of potential energy. As the stored water is released through large pipes called penstocks, it flows with tremendous force, spinning turbines located inside the dam. Animation shows the turbines connected to generators. The spinning turbines turn generators, converting the mechanical energy of the flowing water into electrical energy. Scene transitions to power lines transmitting electricity. The generated electricity is then transmitted through power lines to homes, businesses, and industries, powering our daily lives. Cut to a montage of scenes showing various uses of electricity, such as lighting up homes, charging electric vehicles, and running industrial machinery. Hydroelectric power is not only clean and renewable but also provides a consistent and reliable source of energy. Closing shot, the sun setting behind the hydroelectric dam, symbolizing a sustainable future powered by water. Harnessing the power of water, it's not just energy, it's empowerment. End credits roll with scenes of hydroelectric power plants and the production team. Hydroelectric power, driving us towards a greener tomorrow.